In the said charge sheet that she said accused on a police officer at the rank of Superintendent of Police, he has presented his mother as a surety. He has presented his brother, another serving police officer at the rank. The sureties are substantial and that they can compel the accused person to come back to court and stand trial. The state has not adduced evidence by way of affidavit to prove that the accused person is a flight risk. I am convinced that as a serving police officer at the rank of detectives SPs on the following conditions. 1 is to pay cash bail of 2 million. 2 is to deposit his passport in court. 3, that the sureties shall each execute a bond of 10 million, not cash. Court on the 7th of September at 9 o'clock for hearing of this matter. Court is adjourned.